हे राम सीता, हे राम सीता.
Janakpur Dham is the birthplace of Janaki, daughter of King Janak, who married Lord Ram after breaking the divine bow of Shiva at a tournament organized by King Janak. The city is located in the Tarai region of Nepal and is the administrative headquarters of Dhanusa district. Follow me. The biggest temple of Nepal, Sri Janaki Mandir, lies in Janakpur Dham. This magnificent temple was built in 1874 AD by Queen Brisbhanu Kumari, the wife of King Pratap Singh of Orchha Kingdom of Madhya Pradesh, India. This temple takes inspiration from Mughal architecture and is the biggest temple of Nepal. This temple was built in remembrance of goddess Ram and Sita. The moment I was entering inside the museum, the music and the vibration was so powerful that has intrigued me and made me devotional. This is the power of sacred place. It is said that baby Sita was found by the king in a field. He adopted her and raised her as his own daughter. When Sita turned 16, King Janak announced that whoever string the divine bow of Shiva would be the one to marry Sita. Although many royal suitors tried to string the divine bow, but only Prince of Ayodhya, Lord Ram, was successful, and thus Lord Ram was to be wed to Sita. The entire biography of Sita is depicted in this museum by different types of art. So these all are the ancient portrait picture of the great people who were born in ancient time and left a legacy. According to Vedic literature, the present Ram Janaki temple in Janakpur is located at the birthplace of goddess Sita. As mentioned in the great epic of Ramayana, the area belonged to the realms of the King Janak. The Ram Janaki temple is one of the most holy places for Hindus. At least half of a dozen major festivals are celebrated with a great enthusiasm in Janakpur Dham, and thousands of visitors from Nepal, India, and even abroad attend Janakpur Dham.
पतित जनों को करो पुनीता, पतित जनों को करो पुनीता.
The exact place where Sita was born, the great saint and poet Sannyasi Sur Kishore Das discovered a golden statue of the goddess Sita in 1657. Ultimately, it became the location of the current temple of Sita, Janaki Mandir. The founder of modern Janakpur is considered to be Sur Kishore Das. The temple architecture is of a much later period. However, its style is unique, a blend of classical and neoclassical design with elements of fortification within a unique environmental setting is done. The temple's architecture is quite unique in Nepal. The statue of Rama and his half-brothers Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan are next to Sita.
राम तेज बल बुद्धि विपुलाई, शेष सहस सत सतहि न गाई. सकसर एक सोखी सत सागर तब भ्रांत ही
सुमन जेरी सोरी कस्तो छ
एकदम दामी छ
सरोजको 30 जना मेटियो अनि दिलीप
एकदम
आफ्नै गाउँ ठाउँमा आउँदा कस्तो लाग्छ हैन Janakpur Dham is the world's only city having more than 115 ancient ponds of historical and mythological importance. The Mithila region prides itself in having the largest number of ponds in the country. Within Nepalese Mithila, there are nearly 2000 villages, each of which possesses no less than 4 ponds. According to the Hindu myth of Ramayana, the original city of Janakpur was renamed after the ruler of Mithila kingdom, King Janak. Janakpur Dham, capital of province number 2, was the capital of King Janak's ancient Mithila kingdom during Treta Yuga. The name Janakpur Dham is composed of 3 words, Janak, Pur and Dham, which stands for father, village and place respectively. Dhanusa district is filled with a diverse range of ethnic groups such as Kayastha, Yadavs, Tharu, Teli, Brahmins, Kshetri, Musahar and Rajput. They are the main inhabitants of the villages around Dhanusa and farming is their main form of livelihood. Mithila culture and art prevail in this region. Okay, so Dilip, छैन 50 रुपैयाँ लिएको
बाटो हो न हजुर रेलवे स्टेसन 5 मिनेट
यताबाट सिधा जान्छ
के नाम तिम्रो
मेरो इस्माइल साफी
ल थ्यांक यू है It was the last day of our educational tour, so we had to return to Chiton on the same day. Babu,
सर ब्याकअप गर्दैछु सर
हेटोडा खाना खाने कि यहीँ खाएर जाने यो बाटोमा
हेटोडा बहुत टाढा पर्छ होला सर
ल यो जनकपुर निस्किने बाटोमा खाना खाने है
हस् सर
ल निक्ल्यो
हस् सर
Without any delay, we boarded the bus and moved toward Hotel Raj Darbar, where we had ordered the lunch arrangement. In Mujelia, Janakpur, we had a short visit inside the newly constructed Brahma Kumari's spiritual center. The building was in the last stage of its construction and in the process of inauguration. ज्ञान सरोवर सेवामा थिए
मैले छोडिदिएको जस्तो यो किचन बन्यो अहिले यो एक वर्ष 3 महिनामा यो दुईटै कम्प्लिट भएको लकडाउनमा
कस्तो शान्त ठाउँ रहेछ है यहाँ गाडीको डिस्टर्बेन्स नै खास छैन भने
100 जनाको आवास निवासको चाहिँ कम्प्लिट
Om Shanti Mithila Batika is built with the spiritual concept to provide service to general people by encouraging them for meditation and spiritual practice in order to get inner peace and share the message of Almighty Incorporeal Godfather. This is a peaceful place for meditation and imbibe spiritual knowledge. We like to thank the BK brothers for allowing us to visit Batika. I believe that in the coming days, many souls will get privileged from Om Shanti Mithila Batika. After lunch, our travel started back to Chittaun, from where we started our travel expedition to homestay.
बालकुमारी कलेजबाट यो भ्लगमा म पनि पार्टिसिपेट हुनु पर्यो भन्छ सरलाई भनेर भिडियो गर्न लगाएको सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु लाइक गरिदिनु शेयर कमेन्ट सब गरिदिनु है मेरो मोबाइल हरायो जङ्गलमा अरु के भन्नु डन कसैले भेटाउनु भयो भन्नु होला है स्यामसङ फोन नम्बर 98 625 39 572 नजिकको वडा प्रहरी कार्यालयमा गएर मोबाइल दिनु होला ल भाडा दिनु पर्ने सर ल सर लाइ है बाइ 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 है बाइ बाइ सी यू बाइ बाइ बाइ
टुर रमाइलो भयो हजुर ल बाइ 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 सर
Bye.
Yes, bye guys. Bye 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 bye.
मिथिला नगरी जनकपुर धाममा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ।